Hello beautiful people, welcome to our channel. So today we are back with another hair video, and today I'm going to show you how to take out these old braids and build ups without breaking your hair. Now if you're interested, keep watching to the end. Now let's get started with this video. I already did some just to get started, but now I'm going to record and show you how I do it. First, I'm going to take a small portion of those braids. I'm not going to cut all of them at the same time. Next, I'm going to find where her hair stops. It's kind of hard to see when the extension is also black, but I can actually see the difference between her hair and the extension. Once I find where her hair stops, I'm going to cut not right on it, but just move a little inches up. Now to the important part. Here I'm going to spread this mix of rosemary water and clove water around her scalp, around the area where there's a lot of buildups. I will do this for all of these braids in this section. Then I will get a leave-in conditioner and put it around her scalp, around those buildups. After that, I will add my mixture of shea butter and grease. If you have oil, you can just use oil and put it all around that same area where there's buildups. This method for me helped the hair get softer and also help the buildups to get a little bit loose. So by the time I get into the end, into the scalp where there are buildups, the buildups will be loose and it will be easy for me to separate them. Now it's time to take out the braids. When taking out the braids, you have to be really gentle with the hair. Even though there might be some tingle around the end of the braids when you're taking out the braid, you have to really be gentle. And if you take your time, you will have less tingles while taking out these braids. After taking out the extension, as you can see, that part of the hair where this buildup is soft, and so it's easy for me to separate her hair and even to move away the buildups. Next, I'm gonna get a comb and just comb that section of the hair slowly but surely. If I see that there's a lot of resistance, I'm not gonna put it. I'm just gonna comb slowly. But her hair is soft enough from the water, the leave-in conditioner, and the grease that I put on her hair. Next, I will continue to do this for all her braids. This method is not just good to soften the hair to take out the braids easily. This technique also help add moisture into the hair. If you didn't moisturize your hair for a few days, this is your opportunity to moisturize your hair, especially if you're not going to wash your hair on the same day. This allows you to moisturize the hair and go on with your hair out for a few days. Even if you are washing your hair on the same day, this is still good because this can be considered as a pre-poo before washing your hair. To avoid making long video, I'm just going to skip it to the end. So this is how her hair looked. I was able to take out these braids. It took a long time, but here we are. We did it. We took out all these braids and her hair looked awesome. Looked like it grew when she had these braids for 8 weeks. As you can see, there's no buildups on her hair. Her hair is free of buildups and her scalp is not clean, but it's good enough. If I don't have time to wash her hair today, I can always wash it tomorrow. So all those buildups are gone. Her hair is ready to be washed, but we will be washing her hair tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that I was able to teach you something, one thing, anything. If I was, please consider pressing the like button, share this video with someone you know that will benefit from this video, and why not subscribe to our channel for similar content. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye. Actually, before we go, let me know in the comment below, what is your process of taking out braids? She had these braids for 8 weeks, so this is how I usually do. Sometimes I actually use aloe vera gel, but today I was using rosemary and clove water. Let me know in the comment below, how do you take out those old braids? Thank you for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.
Guys, this is how much hair came out. It's not that much, right, guys?